What's up, y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am giving y'all a purple storm look. I saw this picture on Pinterest a very long time ago, and I saved it. And then when I was looking for Halloween looks to do this year, I stumbled upon that same picture again. So I decided to recreate it in human form. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so y'all see me, I'm filling in a tub of water, hot water actually, and I put my Adore periwinkle into the tub and mixed it in, and then I put my the wig inside. This is a synthetic wig because listen, let me tell y'all something. I do not like dyeing bundles wild colors that I know I'm not going to wear again. I'm done with that. Okay, we are not doing that anymore. Okay, so we are using human hair blend wigs from now on. When it's a wacky color I know for a fact I'm not going to wear anymore, but if it's a color I know for a fact I'm going to wear, bet I have no problem going through all that stress and dyeing it that wild color. It's no problem because I know I'm not gonna wear it again, so it's not like a waste of great bundles. Okay, so y'all see me, I'm dipping the hair in. I added my Arctic Fox Purple Rain, mixing it in. I wanted to make sure that I didn't thoroughly mix in the Arctic Fox color because I wanted splotches of the color to stick to the hair. I didn't want the wig to be all just one seamless color. I wanted to make it look like it was like kind of like clouds in a sense, you know. So y'all see me, I keep mixing the hair, dunking it back in, and then we're back at the shower now. I poured more of the color into the spray bottle, and then I just spray it and concentrate it in certain parts, so there's like different levels of dimension throughout the entire wig. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm spraying the color all over. I let it dry overnight. I didn't bother rinsing it out because I was scared that it was gonna run. I was really scared that it was gonna run. So in this next clip, you will see that this is a very similar to my Get Ready With Me speed throughs. I just wanted to do something different where like the video is not too long and it's very just straight to the point. So enjoy. Alright, and this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye-bye.